Hi everybody, Robert Brown here with Goldwell North America. I thought I would take this downtime to share with you guys one of my very favorite go-to salon techniques. It's my version of Foilyage. The technique I want to share with you, you can do pretty much on anyone with a surface layer. It can be from a bob to the longest hair possible, layers or no layers. It turns out perfect every time. Here's the completed application. It's really easy and it's really quite fast. So we'll let her process and I'll check it and I will tone. We'll choose a toner and I'll do a beautiful finish to let you see what I've been working on. I really like this technique. I hope you're open to how many possibilities it affords you. There's so many ways you could do it. From pure tones to ultra subtle, this one works on most everyone you know. You gotta try it. I've got a nice bright look to the hair that looks healthy and expensive. And if you look, you can see the depth we got from the dark hair. We have that beautiful base color at the scalp. The blonde hair is clean and honey-like, and that just looks so amazing. Can you imagine if you could get a mannequin's hair to look like this, what you could do to your real clients when they come back to the salon? The retouch on this would be so easy. So I hope you've all enjoyed this video on how to do Foilyage. It's a tried and true technique. It is so salon friendly. Meanwhile, stay healthy, stay safe, stay inspired, and we'll be back in this salon before you know it. And you'll be ready for some new techniques like this one. I know you'll love it. Take care, guys.